Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix fingerprint sensor not working on Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. So first go into the settings and scroll to security and privacy, then lock screen and fingerprints. Draw your current pattern, hit the fingerprint number 1 and remove and remove. Now take a microfiber, wipe your finger and the fingerprint sensor right here, then add fingerprint. Continue, register, and now just press your finger inside the circle and lift it when the circle is fully highlighted. Then press it again. Make sure that every part of your finger is scanned. As you can see, I'm moving my finger. And it's nearly done. Okay, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.